Because whenever we are doing the periodization and the pre-season, we see the need of incorporating football science, because normally when you're doing also the player selection, we normally deal with 4 components, which is technique, tactical, mental, and physical. But now we are seeing the need of incorporating physiology as well. So we have to study the human body, like how it works, how can we cooperate it with football, which is very important when it comes to performance. Mostly I'm coaching the women's, and we've really come to understand that women respond differently from men. So there's a way that we know how to deal with also the menstrual cycle of women in football, and how do we bring it up to better their performances. So in a precise way, we are learning that it's different how women body reacts compared to men when it comes to performance in football. So it's actually a whole package of information that we need to understand, that we also need to implement.
We've come to support FKF with regard to adding value to sports through what we call sports science, especially in football. The traditional method of doing football is ending. Nowadays we use even what we call virtual realities. Apart from the sports science, the medicine, etc., etc. We do simulation for sports. Not invested so much in the players. For example, how much oxygen level can a player have to enable him play for 90 minutes? You know, if you don't know the hemoglobin level of an individual player, you cannot know how much or how long he'll play in the field. If you don't know the medical history of a player, maybe the player had sickle cell, etc., and cannot withstand having oxygen levels for a long period of time.
Talk about sinuses. He was scarred, okay?